And now another predictable juggling tutorial. Let me guess, the expired clown is going to break down another juggling trick. Actually, Juggleman had set a goal to do 8 throws of this cool trick. Setting a goal is the first step of 5 steps of learning any kind of skill. When you examine this trick, you'll notice that it's made up of 2 separate tricks, a side throw and a behind the back. So step 2 is deconstructing or breaking down the trick. Next, you'll want to identify which one of those skills that you broke down might make you want to quit. Choose a part that you think is doable. That leads you to step 3, which is focusing on a single skill. Juggleman has decided to get back crosses down. While working on these separate skills, you're going to also want to do step 4. Step 4 is practicing your basic skills. This is a lot like doing scales on a piano. You'll discover some skills that you didn't realize were part of your goal. Repeat the previous steps for each new skill you discover within the trick. Although this has turned out to be another predictable juggling tutorial, it's worth noting that these 5 steps can be used to learn any type of skill. The last step is when you start combining the skills that you've been practicing. As you combine the skills, you can still maintain a progression from easier to harder. The progression of easier tricks is a good way to warm up when you're trying to reach your goal. Here, Juggleman reaches his final goal, which is 8 consecutive throws with the combination trick. Even an easy trick like this simple 5-3-1 can be broken down into several different skills. By the way, being told you look like Mike from Breaking Bad is not a compliment. First, Juggleman practices just throwing up a triple. Next, he works on these 2 club shower throws. Oh no, he has a club foot. Working on the shower pattern makes the 5-3-1 trick much easier. You need to throw a high triple to give yourself time to do the hand across. Obviously this trick can be done with balls too. The next trick that Juggleman is working on is called the Trout. From your left hand, throw 1.5. The right hand comes up and catches the club early as a single turn. The catch is made with the palm facing outward. Then you throw the club like a spear. Make sure when you throw the trout you don't throw it too far away from your body. It looks best if the front of the club makes a downward turn like a trout jumping. You don't want it to look like a dead trout floating downstream. Really, it looks more like a salmon, but I didn't name the trick. Work up to where you can do a whole school of trout.